Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making something very special which is vanilla milk pudding जिसकी पिक्चर देख के आप लोगों ने इतनी रिक्वेस्ट करी for the recipe. So here I am. So let's start with the ingredients. सब ingredients बिल्कुल basic हैं. It includes milk, salt, sugar, corn flour, vanilla essence and butter. In a pan, add 2 cups of milk. आप कोई भी milk use कर सकते हैं. I used fresh milk. So it's बिल्कुल आपकी choice. After milk, you need to add sugar. So sugar आपको डालनी है 5 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. So it's basically 1/3 cup of sugar. Then you have to whisk it ताकि sugar अच्छे से dissolve हो जाए milk में. So just keep stirring it. Okay, next in line we will add quite an important ingredient which is corn flour. And अगर आपके पास corn starch है आप वो भी add कर सकते हैं because they are all same. So just add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. And now whisk it बिल्कुल अच्छे से ताकि कोई भी lumps ना रहे. And this is a very important part क्योंकि अगर lumps होंगे तो आपकी pudding बिल्कुल soft नहीं होगी. So make sure there are no lumps. I know this is very tiring, but इसका result बहुत satisfactory and delicious होगा. Okay, we'll add little bit of salt. So नमक स्वाद अनुसार, no comments on that. So that it can balance out the sweetness. That's why salt is important. Now again whisk it. Now turn on the stove on medium flame. मतलब ज़्यादा high भी नहीं होनी चाहिए and sim भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Just medium. Place the pan and now is the important part. Just keep stirring it. अगर आपने बीच में pause लिया तो जो भी कॉर्नफ्लावर होगा वो नीचे सेट होके जल जाएगा. So medium flame में इसको अच्छे से stir करिए so that the batter becomes thick. So it is a tiring process but trust the process guys. Okay, अब ये थोड़ा thick होने लगा है, साइड में लगने लगा है, so that's a good sign. जैसी बॉईल आए whisk it for another 1 minute. उसके बाद you can turn off the stove. And now you need to add vanilla. I have powder. आपके पास drops हैं so you can add 7 to 8 drops. Powder है तो 2 tablespoon to 2.5. Now add butter ताकि जो इसका texture है वो थोड़ा glossy, creamy and थोड़ा classy आए. Now stir it अच्छे से ताकि butter melt हो जाए and everything mixes very well. You can taste also अगर sweetness ज़्यादा है तो add milk and दोबारा इसको गर्म करो. Sweetness कम है तो add sugar. Now take a bowl or mug and transfer the batter very carefully क्योंकि गर्म होगा तो बहुत आराम से उसको अच्छे से pour करो in a bowl. बैटर को अच्छे से ट्रांसफ़र करने के बाद you need to set this down, tap it and make it even. Use a plastic wrap to cover the bottom so that जो बैटर का bottom है वो अच्छे से set हो जाए. ओके ये अच्छे से रैप हो चुका है. I'm just giving it a good look. Good looks. Now you need to keep it in fridge. Just make sure it's not very hot. तो ज़्यादा गरम फ्रिज में नहीं रखना है. And now leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, I am back and I'm in my night dress. Now you need to transfer it into a plate or anything. टैप अगर आप 2 आवर्स से ज़्यादा इसको फ्रिज में रखते हो सो ये ऐसे ही स्टक हो जाता है जैसे आप देख सकते हैं. बट इसको अच्छे से मारो पीटो एंड देन इट विल कम आउट. Eventually it has to. And here it is. Okay, that's beautiful. अब इसके ऊपर ड्रेस करने के लिए आई यूज्ड कैश्यू एंड आलमंड्स का पाउडर. यू कैन यूज हर्शी सिरप, कोको पाउडर, chocolates, fruits, anything. This is your creativity. So I just wanted to make it quite healthy. That's why I added the dry fruits powder basically. So now the same thing with mug. Okay, इसको भी बहुत टैप करना पड़ा था because literally it got stuck and my hands were tired, but I was hoping for the best. Seriously, this is really very true. After 15 minutes, finally, this is out and it's super jiggly wiggly, just like we wanted. Same, top it. And by the way, this is for Christmas. So happy belated Christmas to everyone. Now we are on to New Year. So let's ring in the New Year with this amazing dessert, guys. Presentation is very, very important. Okay, look how beautiful these two looks. मुझे फिर से खाने का मन कर गया अभी ये. Okay, jiggly test, guys. This is very important. The texture is so creamy, glossy, and everything has mixed and came out so well. Tasting time. This is super yummy, guys. आप लोगों को पक्का से ये रेसिपी ट्राई करनी है and मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना है how it has turned out. And hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one with a new recipe. Make sure you try this recipe on New Year and surprise your family and friends, and let me know in the comment box how it went. Do like and subscribe, guys. Happy New Year!